Today is December 10th. We got a beautiful 62 degrees in Reno, Nevada. Took off from work a little bit early to do some filming, do some riding. I've been wanting to show my YouTube channel some of the beautiful riding we have around here. So today we're riding Geiger grade and a road that we call the truck route, which both attach to Virginia City, Nevada. Down there you have Reno down in the pit, but come along while we do some riding, shoot some POV, and enjoy the nice 60-degree weather. First road we're riding today is Geiger grade, running up those mountains to the back to Virginia City. Quick bike check break. Wanted to give traffic a little bit of room because this next part is pretty fun to ride if you have a clear go at it. 2024 Road Glide, got some new parts on it. Got the 10-inch Sport Flare Clockworks windshield. I love it. I love how it looks. It might just be an inch too short, so I'm gonna try the 11-inch, I think. Other than that, we put on the Black Friday pickups, thrashing floorboards, brake arm, brake pedal. Coming around to the shifter side, we got the floorboard, the shifter, the P54 peg, and the thrash and shift linkage. Shifting is feeling a lot crisper, nice and tight. Also the adjustable brake arm kind of allows you to use your rear brake more than you would on these baggers, but they're so high that you have to pick up your foot to use them. So it's been fun to test these out. Bike is looking pretty dialed in. Gonna get ready to peel off and do this next section, but hopefully you guys see what I'm talking about with how good the riding can be around here. Man, we got windy roads, a lot of times good weather, but we do get snow, so I'm out here enjoying the weather. So we're at the end of Virginia City, and we're going to be taking, I don't even know if the camera's going to pick it up because of the sun, the truck route, which is a nice windy solid road to ride. I think it's 11 miles down to Carson City, 11 miles back. We're going to go down and back today for the YouTube. This far, thanks for riding with me today. If you're liking the content, think about subscribing to my channel. I'll be dropping more rides around Reno. I think I want to share, I think, with the country how good the riding is out here and motivate people to come out and ride. But gonna head down Geiger grade now. I'm at the bottom now, but I'm gonna cut to me heading down, and ride safe out there.